Here at Reagan's Rides, we check out different types of rides and mobility. In this video, we will take a look at the Atto Sport Mobility scooter and see why walking can sometimes be so overrated. Let's do this. Our ability to move about is one of life's greatest freedoms, something that old age, a disability, or a medical condition should not prevent you from doing so. Now, luckily for us, companies like PWD Mobility Philippines are bringing in mobility solutions such as this Atto Sport right here. So, how much does it cost to have that freedom to move about? Well, this Atto Sport Mobility scooter has a retail price of 165,000 Philippine pesos, but if you mention Reagan when you call their hotline, well, you will receive some special freebies. So what sets this Atto Sport apart from the other mobility scooters out there? Well, friends, they don't really call this the sports car of mobility scooters for nothing, yeah? You see, I love that it has this sleek and lightweight design to it. Plus, I love the fact that we get these red accents on the wheel area, plus some of the buttons. Now, the fact that it also doesn't look bulky is also a huge bonus for me. One of the best features of the Atto Sport is portability. You can fold it for easy storage, you can convert it into a trolley that you can pull around, and you can even split it into two so that it could easily fit inside your car's trunk. In fact, the Atto Sport here is also optimized for air travel, and even its battery pack is airline approved. Now, that portability means that Atto Sport users can take this baby with them when they go traveling, thus helping them enjoy a better and higher quality of life. If you check out the wheels of the Atto Sport, you'll notice that it's a set of shock-absorbing, airless tires to ensure a comfy and hassle-free ride. Now, the Atto Sport is also equipped with front disc brakes there that has regenerative braking, which helps to recharge the battery pack. It also has a three-wheel design here to provide a stable and compact drive. Now, the Atto Sport has a ground clearance of 4 inches, so it's safe to say that you cannot take your Atto Sport out off-roading anytime soon. Speaking of battery pack, guys, the lithium-ion battery pack of the Atto Sport has a range of 20 kilometers, and it only takes around 5 to 6 hours to reach a full charge when you plug it into a regular wall socket. Now, as you can see, it was so easy to remove the battery pack here. Just press the button here and pop it out, and you're good to go. Now, to reinstall the battery pack, you just have to put it in place, click it there to lock it, and yeah, that is all there is to it. The Atto Sport Mobility scooter has a bunch of features that will make your every drive safe and comfortable. You see, it comes equipped with a horn. It also has LED headlights plus a pair of armrests here to give you a comfortable ride. However, guys, we don't really have a cup holder here, so just like the Suzuki Jimny, we can't really do my clean canteen test. However, the Atto Sport also comes with this remote key fob to help you lock and unlock your Atto Sport to prevent unauthorized access. Driving the Atto Sport is easy and straightforward. Just power on here, you can see, and set your desired speed. We're now at number 5. You can put it at number 6, number 7, up to a maximum of number 10. That's the top speed, or you could bring it down to 1, but let's just put it at 5. And we also have the throttle finger here, right there. And if you want to go reverse, just press this button right here. So since the Atto Sport is the sports car of mobility scooters, we are now going to test out the driving dynamics of this vehicle. So driving the Atto Sport is pretty nimble and nifty, guys. You see, it has a maximum speed of 10 kilometers per hour, and right now we're just at level 5 speed, which is just about right for a mobility scooter, but we can top it out at level 10 if you want to max out at 10 kilometers per hour. Now, the maximum load capacity of this mobility scooter is 136 kilos, which is like, what, over 260 pounds, I think? Yeah. Now, the good thing here, guys, is the handling is also pretty nimble, as you can see. Wow, it handles really well. Oop. All right, I gotta move forward. Okay, see? And yeah, it's quite comfortable. It's quite comfortable, and yeah, to drive around in this thing. Now, I want to test out the maximum speed, so we're gonna race with this Atto Sport. So we'll start here at the starting line. All right, I'm gonna reverse there. Okay, and then I'm going to put it at number 10. All right, number 10. We're gonna see how fast this thing can go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Ah! Oh, that is so good. All right, now I'm gonna put it back at 5. Now, if you notice, guys, I was going fast, flat out, 10 kilometers per hour. But when I went on full stop, I didn't even have to use the brakes here because the accelerator switch of this Atto Sport works like the e-pedal system of, let's say, a Nissan Leaf. So if you just remove your finger from the throttle, it will just stop. See, like there. See, I remove it, it stopped. I'm gonna press it again. We're gonna go, and I'm gonna remove it. Stop. See? So it, just remove your finger from the throttle, and the Atto Sport will stop on its own. Now I'm gonna show you if it can clear some ramps. We're gonna go to the ramp area there. Right here. So there's a bit of a ramp here. We have a ground clearance of 4 inches. We're gonna go up here. Woo! As you can see, guys, it can easily go into the ramp. There you go. Up. Let me just maneuver a little bit. We're going to go back to our filming area. And the good thing about this is, it's so compact. It could easily fit in an elevator. I mean, we live in a condominium, and this thing easily fits in an elevator. So there. All right. So guys, as you can see, it's so easy to drive around. It's nimble. It's compact enough to fit in tight spaces. And despite the 4-inch ground clearance, we could clear some regular ramps and all that. And if you wanna, go flat out, you could do that at a maximum speed of 10 kilometers per hour in the Atto Sport. The Atto Sport Mobility Scooter is the sporty answer to the elderly, the disabled, or anybody who just wants to take a leisurely stroll without the need to walk. With the Atto Sport, you can regain your mobility while driving in style. Thanks for watching. Woo! Bye.